My seventh standard class, welcome to the channel. So students, today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 10, human settlements, from seventh standard geography. So students, let's solve the exercise. Question number 1, answer in short. First one, explain the various types of human settlements. This answer is given on page number 65. See the अपसाइड स्कैटर्ड सेटलमेंट, तो आपको यहाँ पर मार्क किया मैंने, यहाँ से कॉपी करना है. इन स्कैटर्ड सेटलमेंट्स फ्रॉम इधर से लेके एक्सटेंसिव एग्रीकल्चर लैंड तक. देन सेकंड पॉइंट करके न्यूक्लिएटेड सेटलमेंट लिखना है. दिस सेटलमेंट्स आर जनरली क्लोज टू वाटर सोर्सेस, यहाँ से रिजर्वियर्स एटसेट्रा तक लिखना है. नाउ टर्न दी पेज नंबर 66 पे देखो लीनियर सेटलमेंट्स. ये लीनियर सेटलमेंट्स का पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखना है. और राइट साइड पे देखो, अप साइड में मिलेगा आपको, यहाँ पर इसका लीनियर सेटलमेंट का पैरा कंप्लीट होगा, यहाँ से लेके अलोंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन तक. ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट का आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन न्यूक्लिएटेड एंड स्कैटर्ड सेटलमेंट्स. इन न्यूक्लिएटेड सेटलमेंट में आएगा फर्स्ट, न्यूक्लिएटेड सेटलमेंट्स आर जनरली क्लोज टू वाटर सोर्सेस लाइक ब्रूक्स, रिवर्स, लेक्स, रिजर्वियर्स एटसेट्रा. And scattered settlement में आएगा, scattered settlements are found in the areas of high relief, dense of forest, grasslands, hot deserts and extensive agricultural land. Second point of nucleated settlement is, in these settlements houses are close together, and in scattered settlement, in these settlements houses are far away from each other. And third point of nucleated settlement, social services are available in these together, and in scattered settlements social services are not available in these settlements. And fourth point of nucleated settlement, these settlements have more population, and in scattered settlements these settlements have limited population. Question number 1, third, explain the natural factors affecting the location of human settlements. Sir, natural factors such as physiography, land, soil, climate, water supply, rivers, banks affect the location of human settlements. Human settlements flourished at the place with favorable geographical conditions such as availability of water, a conducive climate and fertile land, etc. Question number 1, fourth, explain how human settlements have evolved. Answer, in the ancient time, humans were roaming from place to place in search of food and other needs. Later, when he started doing farming and other related activities, he started living at one place in small settlements. This gave rise to rural settlements. Later, as the time passed, urban settlements have evolved through the expansion and growth of rural settlements. Question number 1, fifth, differentiate between a hamlet and village. Answer, hamlet is a settlement which consists a small group of houses or huts. Village is a rural settlement which consists more houses or groups of houses than a hamlet. And hamlet, second point is, distance between houses and hut is comparatively more in these settlements. And village, second point is, distance between houses is comparatively less in these settlements. And the third point of hamlet is, these settlements have limited population, and in the village settlement, these settlements have more population than in hamlet. Okay, now move to the question number 2. Identify the types of human settlements from the following statement. First one, their money and time is saved by living on the farm. तो इसका आंसर है scattered settlements. And the second one, there is a lot of social life in this settlement, that is nucleated settlement. Third, shops are located on both the sides of the road, linear settlement. These settlements is found at the foothills of mountains or along the coast. Answer is linear settlements. Question number 2, fifth one, each houses is located away from the other, scattered settlement. Question number 2, 6, this settlements is good from the security point of view, nucleated settlement. Seventh, having houses away from each other is good for health, scattered settlement. And the eighth one, the houses are too close to each other, nucleated settlement. Now see the question number 3, study the diagram and identify the types of settlement. First one, settlement A has 5 to 6 houses and the place does not have other facilities. The answer is scattered settlement. And now see the B1, B has a high school, a big market and a small theater. Answer is nucleated settlement, that is town. And C has a house, farms, many shops and small industries, linear settlements, that is town or village. D is a natural harbor, many industries have been established there. Answer is nucleated settlement, that is city. and C is a settlement that has developed along the roadside. Give two reasons of its location here. Answer: availability of soil and water. So students, we have finished our chapter number 10, human settlements notes. Do share this video with your 7th standard classmates too, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it and do like.